we got a margarita stand and decided to run inside where it's nice and cool. We suggest you do that on a hot day in Florida. So the princess got
a specialty raspberry margarita.
On the rocks.
Just like the specialty watermelon one, it's light, refreshing, delicious.
I got classic frozen lime because I need something ice cold on a day like today. Magical. I need that. Switch. Ooh. I almost wish I'd gotten this one frozen because they offered frozen and on the rocks.
I wish I'd gotten mine frozen. This frozen is so much better than that when it's hot.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
But
next time.
Definitely, if you're down here on Springs, try Dockside Margaritas. On a day like today, you need to pick me up. Trust me. But until next time,
be sure to subscribe.
We'll see you soon.
This is actually how you should drink it. Mix the two.